Designed and executed 0 series prototype for scanner ROBOSCAN 1MC. The theme was put out to auction together with a specification manual mainly regarding the constructive technical parameters. The project was called ROBOSCAN 1MC and symbolizes the main mechanical characteristics that must be fulfilled, namely, to function as a remotely piloted scanning robot, to automatically move next to the object to be scanned, function symbolized by the letter M, in the folded state to enter a maritime container, function symbolized by the letter C. The scanning device assembly together with the carrying truck should not exceed 3.5 tons. The radiation receivers must be perfectly isolated from the ambient light. Proposed and accepted solutions. We have separated the functions of the carrier truck according to road transport and according to slow movement next to the object to be scanned. The results of the separation are, 1. For the transport function, we found a way of folding combined with rotation, which allows, on one side, the correct distribution of the weight on the truck decks and, on the other side, the framing of the frontal gauge of the vehicle in the frontal gauge of the entrance to the maritime container. In this way, we have solved the compliance with road transport conditions and the condition set to be able to be transported in containers, namely the M and C symbols. 2. For the slow movement function, I considered the scanning patent in an expanded state, a separate entity and rested directly on the ground on a wheel. From this moment, the carrier truck became the counterweight for the scanning arm. We thus eliminated the need for the existence of additional counterweight and researched the conditions for framing the assembly according to the theme in 3.5 tons. And for ambient light protection, I found a simple solution. I painted the radiation receiver sensors with a very thin opaque layer. Based on these technical solutions presented, we won the tender. According to the contract, we executed the project, executed the functional prototype, executed the 0 series and handed over the project with all copyrights on the patented technical solutions.